1. What time is it?
What time is it? Is it 3:15?
No, it isn't.
Oh, is it 3:30?
No, it's 3:45. 2. What's the correct phone number?
What's your phone number, Katie? Is it 25437?
No, it isn't.
Ah, is it 25438?
No, my phone number is 25436.
3. What club is Dan in?
Are you in a club, Dan? Yes, I am. Are you in the football club? No, I'm not. Are you in the computer club? No, I'm in the book club. It's great.
4. What class is Sally in?
Is this your class, Sally?
No, it isn't. I'm not in class 2C.
Oh, are you in class 2A?
No, I'm not. I'm in class 2B.
5. Where is Toby from?
Where are you from, Toby? Are you from Italy?
No, I'm not.
Are you from the USA?
No, I'm from the UK. I'm British.